track you if you're not plugged in. Screen lit up like a neon song, tells you who to hate, who won't scroll so fast you forget the ground. All that noise but no damn sound. They sell you fear in HD light. Call it truth, call it right. But every thought already cued, but freedom don't stream. You gotta unplug. They don't silence you, they flood your mind. So every real thought gets left behind. Unplug, cut the line, kill the feed in your mind. Unplug, feel the weight of thinking for your own damn sake. Unplug, step outside where the truth don't buffer or hide. No restart, no update, just a pulse, a breath, a clean slate. Notifications barking loud, every voice but not your own now. They don't need locks, they don't need gates, just dopamine on a steady rate. They don't lie, they don't yell, they just ring the bell. Ring it twice, ring it clean, till you don't know what quiet means. You don't miss what you never knew. You just feel tired and overdue. Unplug, cut the sound, hear your boots hit solid ground. Unplug, break the loop, no algorithm for the truth. Unplug, close the door, they don't own you anymore. No screen, no chain, just a man with a working brain. North and train. Silence feels heavy when your mind used to free, but quiet's where they lose you, and you remember how to be. No trending truth, no scripted news, just choices that you choose. You went off grid tonight. Who would you be tomorrow morning? Pull the wire, let the signal die in the fire. Stand alone, freedom likes a steady tone. No appeal, you don't have to know it's real. No leash, no guide, just your spotted open sky. They don't fear noise, they fear silence.